this is Sarvesh. Welcome to my channel Sarvesh Good Trix. So today we are going to make a healthy eggless chocolate cake. You all like chocolate cake, isn't it? Now let's see the ingredients required for making this chocolate cake. This is wheat flour. I have taken 1.5 cup of wheat flour and then 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder and half tablespoon of baking soda. And this is a half cup of oil. This is 1/4 cup of sugar and brown sugar, because we are going to make a healthy cake, so instead of white sugar and maida we are using brown sugar and wheat flour. And this is a nutmeg for flavor. Nutmeg tastes very good, I love the flavor. You can even use the vanilla essence or butterscotch essence or any essence you like. So the first thing you need to do is grind the nutmeg and the brown sugar. I'll come back after grinding these two. Now I have grinded the nutmeg and the brown sugar together. Now we need to sieve this in this bowl, the mixing bowl. Let's sieve it first. Let's keep all this aside. Yeah. So now let's sieve this. Yeah, so now with sieve, these things you can just throw it off. Okay, now after adding this, you just need to add the wheat flour. Okay, carefully sieve it. It's almost done. Let's finish it. Okay, yeah. Now this is done. Next, add the baking powder. See it. Yeah. Okay, add the baking soda too. That's it. Add this cocoa powder, which we almost forgot. This is the main thing for the chocolate cake, right? Now it's done. Almost done. See this also. Now let's add the oil. So now we have added the oil. Let's just gently mix this. You need to mix this very gently. get the cake batter's consistency, we need to add little bit of milk now. Okay, just again gently mix it. You can see that it's almost turning like a batter. Just keep mixing till it becomes like a perfect batter. Now the cake batter looks ready. Yeah, it's ready. So now let's make the bowl ready for baking. This is some butter, and you have to apply the butter in this bowl so that it doesn't stick. Let me apply. Okay, now this bowl also. And here also. This bowl too. Okay, so after doing this, just you can keep this aside. Take this and take the batter and put little bit in each bowl. Now let's pour this into the bowls. I think this is enough. Just tap the bowl twice or thrice, and then you can add the tutti frutti and chocolate chips on top of your cake batter. Okay, over here too. And then over here. Okay, and then we can add the tutti frutti also. Okay, now I have preheated the oven in 180 degree for 10 minutes. Let's see whether it's ready or not. Yes, our oven is ready now. Now let's keep the bowls inside for it to break. It's too hot. And then let's keep this also. And then here. Okay, now let's close this. And then 45, you need to set this timer for 45 minutes. And then, done. cream to get baked. It's been 35 minutes now. Let's see whether the cake is ready or not. I'm taking my mother's help to remove this tray out. It's because it's too hot for me to handle it. It looks ready. Now let's see if the cake is ready. Yeah, I feel the cake is ready. Okay, see, it's ready. Let it cool down for 10 minutes and then we'll see the cake. After letting it rest for 10 minutes, I have cut the cake now. I'm going to decorate the cake with some sprinkles and chocolate chips. We don't need to add too much because we already added some while making the cake. And then a little bit of sprinkles. Yeah, our cake looks ready, right? Hey, it's ready! Now let's taste this and see. Wonderful. Tastes so good, you know. This cake is so good. Even you can try this cake at your home. Hope you all enjoyed watching my video. If you like my video, please like and share. Please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get notification of my latest videos. Bye bye.